Yeah, so in this session, we'll be looking at Python list with dictionary and vice versa. That means what? I can have a dictionary, I can create a dictionary using a combination of list. Okay, combination, for example, say I have a set of city names and a set of corresponding pin codes. So I want to associate every city name with that corresponding pin code as a value. So city name will be key and the pin code will be value. So in this case, I have two different lists. One is for the cities, another is for the pin codes. Now, how can I create a dictionary using these two? That's first point. Okay. Then of course, we can have more values. For example, I have areas also. Okay. For example, every city has got an area. Now I want to associate every city name with a combination of pin code and the area. So how can I do all these things? Which will be quite interesting. Fine. So let me just get into my Jupyter notebook. So this topic will be creation of Python dictionary. Dictionary from lists or tuples. Okay, fine. Okay. Now what happens? First, let me create the cities. Cities equal to, let me create Chennai. I have some list of cities. Madurai. Then I have Trichy. Then I have Tanjore. Okay. Now look at this. Cities. I'll just type cities and type of cities. Okay. If I type, I think cities, that's enough. So I can say it's a list. Square bracket means list. It's a list. In the same way, I have pin codes. Pin codes is a list. I have 60001 for Chennai, Madurai 625001, and for Trichy it is 620001, and for Tanjore 62900. Okay, fine. Now look at this. Print pin codes. So again, it's a list. Now, how can I create a dictionary which has got the city name as key and pin code as value for all the cities? Okay. So I'll just go here. Let me call city pin, city underscore pin is equal to dict of. So here we are going to use a special function called zip. So what does it do? First, let me explain what is zip. The zip is nothing but, zip is a function which zips two set of values. For example, if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, then I have one more list called 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, now look at the output, list of zip. Look at this. What it does is it takes one value from the first list, another value from second list. It creates a two tuple. That means a tuple which is made up of two values. So look at this: 100, 2, 200, 3, 300, 4, 400. Fine. So this is what we want actually. So when we create dictionary, but this should not be a two tuple, but the dictionary should have a zipped value where the first value is coming from cities and second value comes from pin codes. So what I'll do, I'll just say zip cities, which will give me Chennai, Madurai and all, and pin codes. Okay, fine. Now look at this zip. Okay, when you say zip, you have to zip two values together. So, and of course, if you want to see the output, you have to convert into a list so that you can see the output. Look at this. Now city underscore pin. Look at this. See, dictionary object constructor gets a zipped item. Okay, basically it gets a zipped object, and the zipped object is a combination of cities and pin codes. Chennai 60001, Madurai 625, Trichy 620. Fine. So they're associated. Chennai is connected with that pin code, Madurai with that corresponding pin code. Okay. So this is how a dictionary is created using two different lists actually. Okay, fine. Now I have one more thing called area. I have an area. Of course, it can be a tuple, it can be list, whatever it is. Area is Chennai area will be 50 square kilometer, and Madurai will be 40 square kilometer, and Trichy will be 35 square kilometer, and Tanjore will be 25 square kilometer. Okay, so you see area. Look at this. Fine. Now, can I do something like this? I want to do something. Chennai should be connected with that area and pin code as a combined entity. Okay, and Madurai should have pin code 625001, then connected with that 40 square kilometer. So can I do that? So I can do that, but not this way actually. You cannot zip these two things together. So what I should do? I should go and do new element. Let me just display it, showcase it. So let me call it as pin underscore area is equal to zip pin fine pin codes comma area. So I'll just convert this into a list. Look at this list. Okay, then I'll just say print pin area. Look at this. It has combined. Okay. So see what happens when you say zip. A zipped object is created. Only when it is converted into a list, you can see as an output. So that is, you can see as a pin area as an output. That is why we are converting into a list. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to create a dictionary using the Chennai followed by 6001 50 square kilometer. Then Madurai will be key. These will be value. So can I do that? I'll do this way. Look at this. I'll go here. I just say my data is equal to, I think I should convert this into one more list. So pin area is equal to list of pin area. Okay. And then only it is applicable in the zip actually. So why I'll go here. I'll just say my complete data, final data is equal to a dictionary, create a dictionary with what? Zip of cities, that means Chennai, Madurai and all, with pin area. Okay, fine. My final data will be something like this. For some problem, let us see what happens. It should be final data. Yeah, we got it. Look at this. See, I'll just explain here. See, when we zipped it now, okay, we got see, the zip element should be converted to a list so that is visible. That's visible. Then, of course, when you're again take it into a dictionary and zip together with some other list or kind of thing, then you should convert this pin area into again a list. Okay, that is what I've done it. Look at this. See, now without doing it, I'll just show you what happened. Just see. I'll just give enter. Now this pin area has not been converted to list. I won't do this. I'll comment it. And I'll just go here and try. Okay, fine. Fine, I think no problem. So I think it is working because we converted already into a list. Okay, it's a list. Yeah, it's working fine. No problem. As such. In fact, it was not giving me first initially. Okay, now what happened? Final data is nothing but dict of zip, then cities, comma, pin area. Pin area is a list of items, and it's a combination of the pin codes with area. Pin codes with area. Okay, fine. So this is how you create a list of item into a dictionary. And how do you convert a dictionary back into a list? Okay, so we can convert that also. So I'll just go back here. See, I'll just go back here. I'll just say final data dot keys. Now you see Chennai, Madurai city. So this should be converted into a list. Look at this list. So I got fine. Then I want the values also. So what I'll do, I'll just say list of, okay, final data dot values. Okay, look at this. I got this. Fine. So it's a combination of busy pair of thing. Fine. So we converted the keys into values and values into, so keys into a list and values also into a list. Fine. So this is how you convert, between, of course, the dictionary can have a combination of zip of two, list or two tuples, anything. It can be a combination of tuple and dictionary. It can be anything. Okay, fine. So I hope this demonstration was useful. We'll meet in the next demonstration with some other interesting topic. Thank you.